Welcome to Salesforce Help Club. I'm Isaac, and in this video we are going to create a custom object in Salesforce quickly. Before we start, you must be a Salesforce administrator in your org. If you are a Salesforce user and not an admin, talk to your administrator about your custom object need. Salesforce comes with the most commonly needed objects out of the box, but you can create custom objects on top of this foundation to create your own business apps and business processes. That's the power of Salesforce. Make sure to subscribe below to watch more videos like this and learn how to leverage Salesforce for your business. Okay, let's dive in. Once inside Salesforce, you're going to want to navigate to the top right and click on the setup icon, which is the gear, and then click on setup. From here, we are going to click on Object Manager and then Create in the top right. Then select Custom Object. Perfect. Now we are going to define our custom object. We have several fields here that we can fill out. For further detail on what all of these fields mean and why you would want to use them or change them, check out my detailed overview on custom objects. For this video, we're going to keep it short and to the point. So for the label, this is what people are going to see when they think about your object. For example, when they click on the tab at the top, it's always best practice to put in descriptions. For record name, you can choose to allow users to type in whatever text they want when they create the record, or you can have the system generate a unique identifier with the auto number. This really depends on your circumstance. So that my record always has a distinct name to identify it, I'm going to choose auto number. I'll just go with APP dash and then fill out the rest of the format as it is in the example. And I'll actually start with the number 1. Okay, we want to go ahead and deploy that. I'll leave the rest as is. Remember to watch my detailed overview to learn more about why you'd want to update any of these other fields. I will click on Launch New Custom Tab Wizard after saving so that we can create a custom tab after this. If you don't create a custom tab, you're not going to have this in your navigation bar at the top of the screen to be able to see the list views of your object. Click Save, and then we're going to leave the object as the object we just created. We're going to choose a tab style and click Next. Now we decide which profiles we want to have access to this tab. And there you have it. You now need to create fields, update the page layout, create validation rules, and on and on. If you want guidance on all of those next steps, click subscribe and watch our other videos. Please let me know down in the comments what custom object you were creating today. I'd love to hear what you were working on. Thanks for watching and come back soon.